Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Xumo box blinking white light then it turns off. So in order to fix it, the first solution that I'm about to give you is to perform a proper power reset. This is one of the most effective fixes that you can try. So first of all, you need to unplug the Xumo box from the power. Do not press the remote power button here. Now after doing this, simply wait for 60 to 90 seconds, and you need to wait for this time because it is going to clear the temporary system errors and the hardware lockups that often cause the blinking lights. After this particular time period, you just have to plug the cable back in, and you just have to simply give your box further 1 to 2 minutes for it to fully restart. Now, blinking lights during boot are normal, but constant blinking following by the shutdown usually points to a reset needed condition. Now, if the issue still persists in your case, you can just simply try the second solution, in which you just have to check the power cable and the adapter. So here you just have to make sure that the cable that is connected with your box is firmly connected. Check the power adapter for the looseness or the damage. You can also try using a different wall outlet. Power instability is another most common reasons for the random shutdowns. So avoid the power strips if it is possible. Now, in the next step, you just have to look for the problem of overheating. This particular thing is hidden, but it is also one of the frequent issue of this problem. So you need to try touching your Xumo box if it feels very hot to you. Overheating may be forcing the device to shut down. So you just have to basically ensure that the proper airflow is around the box and do not place it inside any closed cabinets. Now, you can also check the HDMI and the external connections. Sometimes the loose HDMI cables can sometimes cause the boot problem. So you can reconnect the HDMI cable securely and try another HDMI port if it is needed. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.